Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Shopify to Klaviyo for personalized UX email journeys, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Shopify to Klaviyo for personalized email journeys, start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Klaviyo and press enter. Click on the Klaviyo app from the search results. Select the Add App button to begin the installation process. You'll be directed to log into your Klaviyo account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, authorize the connection by clicking Install Integration. Next, grant Klaviyo access to your store's data by following the prompts. After installation, navigate to your Klaviyo dashboard. Click on Integrations on the left-hand sidebar. Find and select Shopify from the list of integrations. Review the integration settings to ensure everything is correctly configured. Enable List Sync to synchronize your Shopify customer lists with Klaviyo. To create email flows, go to the Flows section in Klaviyo. Click on Create Flow to start building your personalized journeys. Choose a template that fits your marketing goals, or start from scratch. Add triggers based on customer behavior, such as purchases or signups. Customize each email in the flow to align with your brand's voice and style. Utilize Klaviyo's dynamic blocks to personalize content for each recipient. Set the timing for each email in the flow according to your strategy. Once satisfied with your flow, click on Save and Exit. To enable the flow, toggle the live switch. Monitor the performance of your email journeys in the Analytics section. Adjust your strategies based on insights gathered from Klaviyo's reporting tools. Make sure to regularly update your email flows to keep the content fresh and engaging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.